you are going to be taken advantage of by women, or not being able to build a relationships with women if you don't understand the nature of the dynamic of romantic relationships. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Chris Kobe, and in this video I want to tell you my experience from living in my country and moving into Spain, and how I have seen the spectrum of relationships and what I've learned, and what I wish I have had as a conversation with someone when I was a bit younger to understand the nature of relationships. You see, women are very different from men, and I'm not here to tell the biological or the political side of these things. They are different because that's why they are called women, and that's why men are called men. Now, of course, we are human being, we are the same as human being, but in our physical appearances we are different. So we want different things and we do different things. We might do the same thing but even different way. Now, even people individually are really really different. Like, there is nobody, or there are no people that are really the same. Now, to be able to approach this topic is really critical, and it's really compressing. It's mostly political topic that you are not allowed to talk about. But here is one of the things that I think is the core of downfall of young men in this modern world, and perhaps it is one of the toughest things that we have to understand as young men. You see, women basically don't like to date men that they think they are superior to, and they make that calculation mentally. When they see you, they make those sort of calculation, and they assess the kind of value that you can bring on the table. See, we as men, we are considered to be provider, and if you as a man, you have to have certain kind of characteristic to be able to provide for your family and for your partner. So if you don't have those kind of characteristic, any woman won't necessarily like to date you, or they won't want to be serious and build something with you. And the way men want to compromise and to commit to the relationship is not the same way that women necessarily want to compromise to a relationship. And I'm talking from experience. You might have a very different experience from relationships, but I'm sure that many young men around the world, most of those young men must have related experiences to what also I have experienced it. So maybe I am the problem, but I am sure that there are a bunch of men out there that also experience the same thing. Now, as a man, because the option of dating are so limited, we don't have so many options, especially because you are not yet successful, you don't have many options to date. Then you are afraid of not offending the other, or the partner, or the only option that you have left. So that makes us in some way cowards in our way, in assuming our masculinity and taking into that role of being a leader in our life. Because to be able to provide, you have to be a leader. You have to really be a very disciplined person. You have to have certain kind of characteristic, like I've said before. And now you might want to learn what those characteristics are. That is a very different topic. But here is the thing: a lot of women will try to just use you as a friend, and wanting just to have that benefit of having someone that they can use as a boyfriend, and you too, you want to use them as just girlfriend, so that you have that mutual exchange, and you, without not necessarily wanting to commit to them. Well, I think in my experience and other people's experience, men usually do want to commit, because uh, they think that it's better for them to be committed to someone and then being able to focus on different things. But women are looking for options, and they do have more options than ours. So when they have options, why would they stay with you if you are not the best in the world? Because by definition, why would a person stay with you? Because you are the best in everything that they can conceive. So if there is another man that is better than you somewhere in her contact, why do you think that she will stay with you? Because necessarily she will try to find something more better, or that she will explore something more better. And now what happens as a young man, because you know you are not definitely the best, because you know you have not done your best, and that you have not yet come up to the level of the expectation that you have of yourself, you will try to lower your standard and settle for someone that doesn't want to give you that kind of a sense of commitment that you are looking for. And then what happens, they just spray you around, they just put you in that category as a friend. Now I think as men do want a sense of control, and everybody wants that in relationships, not to control the other person but feel in control of the dynamic of the relationship. If you are a man, you want to be able to stand up for yourself, you want to be able to stand up for your partner and for your family. Of course they do have their role to play as well, but it is upon you, the society expect that from you. So in the sense that the person you are with think that they are doing a favor to you by staying with you, you don't feel that so sure about yourself to impose that control that you feel that you may have. And that might lead you to just accepting the framework of life into the relationships. And that leads you first stopping to focus on what you should do to become better, to give them more time, more of your time and your money and attention, so that they can stay with you and not leave you, because you are afraid that if you don't do that they will leave you. And therefore what happens, the more you spend your energy, your time and all those things on them, the less attractive you become to them. And then at the end of the day they leave you and then you also leave yourself. And I've seen tons of friends that has been through that same experience over here. They were really disciplined in the gym and very focused, and then they just have a lady, like a beautiful girl, and the girl just get interested in them, and the thing that made that girl interested in the man, in that friend, that that friend starts stop doing that thing, stop hitting the gym, stop focusing on himself, giving that time to the girl. And what happens, he get out of shape and then he becomes pretty mess. And then what happens, the girl is no more interested in her. Now it's not the girl fault, they are just what they are, like they do what they do. It's not the fault. Now it is your fault. It's not upon you to claim that role and to claim that leadership and to be yourself and do things that you know you have to do for your life and to save yourself and to save your family and to stand the purpose of your family. Now it's not easy, because for instance you want to wake up at 5 or at 4 to go for the run, but okay, you are in the bed of with that beautiful lady, you don't want to do it, you want to stay with her to make her feel better, but in the long run that will play against you, because she will leave you because you are not doing what you are supposed to do. Of course she wants you to stay with her in the bed, but she doesn't want you to stop doing what you are doing, because that's what makes you that's what makes her interested in you. Now here's the challenging part of which with ladies, and I don't know if it's with all ladies, but with some ladies, you will find some controversy with what they want and what they say. They ask for things to just see that if you can stand for your standard, the thing that you say that you are and the things that you say that you do. They want to know if you really mean what you say and if you really say what you mean. And then they ask you for certain things in order to see if you will just give it to them. Now for my own experiences, I feel, for instance, that I've been taken advantage of by some women. Of course, I'm not using that lens to see the world. Some women are different, but most likely women are more selective than men. It's really rare that you see a woman that's want to date a guy that's really less than her in terms of statures, in terms of intelligence, in terms for everything that we can name that is a high value. No women, I mean, virtually, no women don't. There is no women that wanna date a guy that cannot provide anything. If you will ask me, then why doesn't she date the guy that's in the street, the homeless? Of course, as a man as well, you are not dating the lady that is homeless. Well, I don't mean that those people are not valuable, they don't have anything of value, but why don't you date them? Because you want something out of the other person, and if you have the perception that that person don't have what you need, then obviously you are looking for other people. But ladies are more selective in that process, because women, we have I think it's more challenging to become a valuable man in this society and to become successful, and that takes more of time. I'm not saying it's more easier for ladies, but I think somehow they do have more advantage in the regard that they are just blessed by the universe to be ladies, and it is different. So when facing that, I think the most important thing is to focus on who you are and who you want to be, and then just focus on that life, and then don't let the people that are attracted to you because of what you're doing stop you make keep doing that thing. And that is the thing that ladies can distract you easily, and even for ladies, guys can distract you as well in that, because the thing that you are doing is what make people get to you. But if you stop doing that thing because of them, then they will leave you, and then you will also lose what you do. And it is really tough, because you, as a nice person, you want to give more of your time to them, you want to give more of your energy to them, but you will be taken advantage of, because at the end of the day it will be your fault. That we say it was your fault, but you say, I have given you my time, I have given you everything, but you see, they will leave you because you have fallen in behind. You are not holding to the standard that you presented to them from the beginning, and therefore what they do, they just leave you, and you are left alone without nothing, without the relationships, and without what you were focusing on. Now, this video is not to criticize lady, to say okay, they are the cause of the unfortunate society, but unconsciously or consciously they are doing it. A lot of ladies, we just, they know don't want to build anything with you, but they want to have that feeling of, they know you are not the person that you are looking for. They know inside themselves, but they will not tell you, because you are a man, you have the energy, they want it, and yeah, they just want you as a friend, and the cuddling, those kind of a romantic moment without the commitment, because relationship require a lot of sacrifices, and nobody wants that with you if they don't see in you that you have something to bring to them as the price of, as the reward of whatever they are sacrificing with you. So if you are dating a person that doesn't see that in you, then everything you do is vanished, like it doesn't get any point. So it is important for us to understand and be really selective as a man, to understand that this is real, and wherever you are trying to date, you need to be really aware of this, and do not let your need to be in a relationship let you set for someone that doesn't see you as the person that they want to be with. Because if it's not that person, then focus on yourself, keep working harder, and keep improving your ability to date even more better person. Because at the end of the day, there is someone there that will like definitely the person that you become. Because Don't settle for average, because this is the point. You cannot be just average. If you cannot love yourself, if you cannot admire the person you are, how do you expect other people to admire you? Now, there are of course people that will admire you because they see in you the potential to become better, and those are the kind of people that you really want to stay with. And there are really ladies as well like that can stay with you in those kind of situation, but it's rare. It's rare. I don't know how many there are, but ladies are more selective in that sense, that because they can project a sort of future to you, and without you knowing, they see wherever you are going, they see the path that you are heading into, if it is a wrong path or good path. I don't know how they do it, but they happen to have that intuition, and they make decisions based on those intuition, and know instantly if they want to build or they want to commit to you. Because there is no relationship that is so just easy love and that friendship things. No, relationships are hard, it's complicated, it's sacrifices, it is effort, it's not just the love thing, it's everything that's put together that creates the love. So I don't believe in all those bullshit of just love. Of course love is, it is important, but it is not just okay. The beautiful part of it, there is sacrifices, there are a lot of hard moments that people have to go through, but you have to be committed to each other to want to go through those moments together. But if you are not, then if there is no commitment, that will not happen, and the person that doesn't see any future in you will not want to commit to you. And that is the point of this video. So as a young man, whatever you need to do, of course you have to keep searching, you have to keep dating, you have to keep looking, but you have to remember and keep it clear that the goal is not the person that you want to be with, but it is the person that you want to become. And as you become that person, you are being that person so that you can stand up for the person that will be with you, because it is your role to protect the person that you want to be with. It is your role to provide for that person, but to be able to do those things, you have to be the person that needs or that can do those things. So don't get it wrong. Don't think that the ladies are the problem. Of course some are problems and you have to avoid those, but as you understand it, stand up for yourself, work hard, and keep this straight, and then you can become a man, you can become a person that you can admire, and that a lady or someone can admire and look up to you as a leader and want to cooperate with you. Because this thing is real. And I was talking with a friend, she knows it, and we know it. It was a really sort of not good type of relationship that we were having. And if a lady feels that you are not being in control, automatically she is getting to that position to be in control, and they don't like it. They don't like to be in control, to have to tell you. There is no a woman that want to be your mother basically, because that is the thing of that is the kind of work that you are giving them. If you don't take care of yourself, if you don't do the thing that you have to do, of course they have to take care of you, but you have to be able to do it yourself, so that they train you. They want you to be the leader. I might be delusional about it, but it is what I've seen in, because we might call it other names, but it is what I see. It is the fact. And it is important to understand it and to know who you are choosing to be with, and how you are making those decisions. So guys, I've made it long. If you think this might be useful, a friend or someone that you know, please share this video with them. And yeah, hit the like button and subscribe, and tell people that you think I've been distracted by this, and keep consistently falling in that kind of a trap of looking for a relationship and looking for a love, where they're supposed to work on themselves, to keep focusing on themselves and becoming a better person, instead of looking for people that will not stay with them, as wasting their time on chasing them. So subscribe, and please share the video with a person that you think will be helpful to. Thank you, and bye bye.